The first week I was checked out. I use this one. I walk like that. After taking medicine from young, I can walk. I can
dance.
Music, you make your own self. Dance and then this is a part of the exercise. You're part of exercise. If people saw you, they maybe say you are something wrong, right? But that is your exercise. You exercise, right? Now, see, after taking the IDNA, now I can press my leg.
Very good.
So far okay lah. Now I can walk, and even for the past 3 days, I can ride my motorbike slowly lah, but okay lah. I can go outside and buy paper and come back.
Thanks, man.
The first week I take this IDNA. The first week, you can imagine I can run my car Honda Jazz to Penang. Just to go to the wedding, Penang, go Chinese said just go for makan. I start from here around 6 o'clock. I arrive Penang at around 11 something. I go for the wedding, makan, around 2 o'clock, come back to KL. After taking this medicine, I can walk, I can take, I can dance, Formerly cannot. Formerly I was using this stick, right? This stick,
So good.
This the improve. For me, I cannot take on that. I can like this way. Now I can take
higher.
Higher, then I can swing, I can move on, I can walk faster, I can dance. That is the improvement. So I advise those who happen to be stroke like me, please take this IDNA, because I've been trying this for 3 weeks. Improve me a lot, man.